Alright, welcome everyone. I've done a bit more work on this, getting everything aligned. You got to make sure that this one is bottoming out as this one's topping out up here. And it takes a certain amount of finagling with this structure here to make sure it's got clearance on that part and that part to where it's only hitting in the flat parts of that little device. Otherwise it jams up, and that would definitely be an issue at some point later on. I had to finagle this thing quite a bit to get them to line up just so with the gear teeth and everything, so it would, move freely. So that took me a good 10 or 15 minutes just staring at it. I ended up having to take it apart and reset the thing, and that also cleared up my clearance issue on this part. It doesn't quite hit there. So I'm guessing that wasn't supposed to be the trigger for whatever causes this thing to go up and down. But that's what I've been doing since, well, not since I stopped, but for a little bit. I say it was 10 or 15 minutes. I've taken a break. Okay, so I'm gonna set you over there. Set the box. Actually, set the box over there. Set the model over here. Set my pieces here. And oh yeah, and I inadvertently I did page 22 without knowing I did page 22 last time. So we're starting up on page 23 today. Like I say, surprise. But that's being said, it's just one piece on page 23, and it is the base platform. Is that big? No. I've got it upside down or something. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, it's this one that goes all the way around. We're about to install the rubber feet, or the traction things, like UGEARS likes to do with theirs, which I can dig it. If you use it on a smooth surface, it's probably really helpful. Let go. Come on, guys. Okay, I'll stress this one has been exceedingly hard to break the pieces off of. Okay, and I thought I still had that rubber band from the randomizer sitting around here. I thought I just set that to the side. I guess I didn't. Yeah, I did. There it is. That's the same rubber band, and these are chunky boys, so I'm going to hang on to this one. And if I can find that, I guess I threw that stick away. It had like the little gauge on the side. That was nice. Okay, so well, let's do the sanding first. That's better. Okay, now these are 15 mil segments. They put us a gauge here on the bottom corner, so I'm just gonna 15 mil there. How many of these are there? 4, 5. Good luck. All right. I just found the. Okay, now this goes on. Find it where it fits. like so. Like so. The way they do these things. So I sort of dig this. It sort of, you know, gives traction. For, like say if you have it on a smooth surface. Ooh, don't break it, will you? Okay. Hold those in place. Push it over. And work your way around. Oh, I thought it went on, but it didn't. Okay. Oh, it's a tough one to put on. Okay. A little nerve-wracking to have to push this hard on this thin wood. There it went. I do like not having to wait till the end to do it like I've done. I think it was a spiral hoist. This was like the last step. Okay. One more. I would also say, I think might be easier to let it, to cut a little bit extra on the, oops, that one doesn't have the rubber band, but it still gets pumped in. Any more of them? No, okay. I'd say cut them a little bit, cut them maybe 20 mil, and you got a little more room to grab and hold it in place as you push on the thing. But there's our, no support on this part, but we got, you know, support. Okay, so hopefully we're going to put some structure underneath there. That's our bottom part is done. Nice. And that concludes page 23. On to 24. Just a couple of pieces on this one, it looks like. Both of them off of number 3. Need 270s, 69, 270s, and a 71. 69. There's 71. Since I saw it, I'm going to grab it. 270s. Okay. Here. And here. Poking stick. Save us some strain on my fingers. Alright. That's all the pieces for this time. Missed. Give me the. That's better. Get this one too. Okay. Okay, so take these guys and double them up, and then so. Okay, come. Okay, got a little peel in the veneer on this side. Let's pop this back off. Maybe. Yeah, have a lot of peel of veneer. Okay. And on there too. Dang. That didn't work at all. Let's try it again. Okay. We went together much flusher that time, so I feel better about that. Although I do sort of miss having all that extra material in there. And let's see, where do you go? Any wax on you guys? No. You go. This one. This goes, okay, on here. This one goes in there. That one goes on there. Evidently aren't lined up exactly right. Okay. There it went. Okay. So. Okay, so there's probably going to be something else that happens over here. Cause that to work. Okay. And where do you go? You go underneath here. Okay. Somewhere. Okay. Okay, so we go in. Okay, so it goes into this one here. So that goes into here. Okay, yeah, that fits. I still got clearance to whatever this doodad is so far. Between those two sides. Focus, there you are. Let's see. Looks to be reasonably symmetrical there. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure what this whole situation is going here, but time will tell. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Did I put that on? Okay, I put this on upside down. Yeah, this is supposed to be the bottom. Okay. So, do the wiggle and the jiggle to remove, pull stuff back out. Okay. Now this is going to be the hard part because it's got a double. Come on. Alright, now that goes like so. I just pulled it apart. Okay. Okay, and this is going to rest on. Okay. That makes a little more sense to me. Okay, I think. You in there. Yeah, that's going to rest on the bottom of that. That's going to be a stopper for it, I think. Additional. And that makes the flip-flopper works better on that too. Okay. Okay. That's page 24. 25. This is going to be a slow day. 25. Lots of pieces. And there are 3, I need 2. Okay, so I need these guys from the inside. Actually, that's the last of the other part's empty, isn't it? Okay. Oh, those guys, and then this one, this one, take a piece out of the middle there. Okay. I need this guy. And all these guys. Yep. The inside and outside pieces on these two. Okay. And that leaves us just one piece left on that one. We're gonna need that again. No, that's and then off 3. Need these all. No, just these guys. And just that's a spare 27, so I'm gonna set that into my spare pieces pile. Okay, and I think that's all. Oh, and 3 of these guys. Okay. And let's see here, pop these guys out. Hopefully without breaking everything else. Little pieces are the hardest ones to get out at sometimes, it seems like. Okay. Okay. Now, all these little dudes. Those less little dudes. These little. Okay. And don't know if I need to do these or not, but I'm going to. I think I'm going to actually swap over to. Nope, it's got a concave. Hope I don't need those, because that's hard to get to. There's the concave part. Oh, okay, I'm gonna skip sanding the rest of those because I'm hoping that I don't have to. big one, see that better. Okay. Now what am I doing? Okay, so we take this one. Lift the little oval thing up. One of the little dudes. The dot dashes to the inside. The dot to the inside, rather. And you guys go there and there. Okay. Take one of these guys. Like so. You go in here. Okay. And then we take one of these. And go on. So we're going to double them up. Okay. Alright. Then okay. Actually, I was supposed to use that one on this one. The one with the little tab on it. Okay, but it's all the rest of the pieces are the same. I think, yeah. You in there. Dot there on the inside. Here. You. And we do this one. There. And there. Okay. Now I gotta remember that one's different. Yeah. Okay. Now, one more of those dots. Dots to the inside. And one of these. Okay. And it says, whoops, over here, supposed to apply wax to these tabs here. Let's see here. Okay, so bloop, bloop, bloop. Okay. Now, so I'm supposed to have 3 78s, it looks like. Or there's 70. Where's the other 78 at? Is there 3 there? I don't think so. No. Okay. Ah, another one hiding here. Okay. Okay. Now take you. Take our guy with our tab, extra tab on it, goes in the center. Okay, so this goes here. This guy. Okay. Sideways. Okay. There we go. That's. Yep. Tab on that. Yep. Okay. Now these two. Actually, maybe more difficult to do. Okay. Okay, there it went. Okay. Yep. Yep. The smaller part to the inside. In there. Nope, did you upside down? Okay, so we got those guys, like so. 26. Okay, page 26 is only one more piece, so I'm going to go ahead and do page 26. That is that last piece on sheet number 2. Just this. Yes, I'll put you out of the way. Quick sanding. Yeah, that's what I missed. Okay, what are we doing here? Okay, take our structure. No, outside. Got the little. We're doing part with this that has whoop here. So this one with our. Did I somehow? No. Okay, with our the smaller parts, or the smaller parts down. Lines up. Okay. Those tabs go into these notches there. Okay. And you. Now we put this guy. Only 3 of them. What's going on here? Okay, I grabbed the wrong piece. That's not the right one. Oops. I want this one. Let me stop and reset my time. Alright. I got excited about getting a piece cleared, a sheet cleared. Need 79. I think it was 77 was the one I grabbed. We'll need that one for the other side, I'm sure. Okay, smaller side down. Lined up with those holes. Alright. This one. Oh. Sand this one too. up again. These lined up. In there. In there. Okay. I think one of them in. Okay. Oh, you're not in there. You're slight. Okay. Okay, you're in. You're lined up. You're in. And so it should just be a matter of sliding that one in there to brace against. You're not cooperating. Oh, you're not out of you're out of your slot. Okay. You're out of yours? Okay. Now we should be in good shape. Everybody's. Okay, that's the snap I wanted. Alright. So now I think I see the where it's going with its. Yeah. I think I see, yeah. It goes up there and clicks over. Now it'll dump it to the other side, which will have the same thing on it. Yeah. Okay. But we can leave that for next time. Yeah, that's exactly what we're going to do. That concludes page 26. I think I'm starting to see how it's going to have the other, going to jump, well, work its way up, I think, rather than down. That'll be cool. Yeah. Alright. So I'm going to cut that off there. I still haven't quite figured out what this whole situation is. I guess that's probably the loader for it somehow. Okay. But I am going to cut it off there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay safe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.